Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create viral animated fruit AI story videos using AutoClips. Today, we'll walk through the entire process from script to published video in just a few simple steps. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to autoclips.app. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Fruit AI Stories option and click Create Now. You'll be taken to the story setup page. Under the Tell Us Your Story section, you can either try one of the pre-generated AI stories or click on the I Have a Script button. Now, simply paste or type your story. For this example, we're using a short, sweet romance about a lonely strawberry and a cheerful banana story script. Next, scroll down and choose your cast. You can let the AI automatically pick the best fruit characters for your story or manually select and customize the perfect characters yourself. It's completely up to you. Now let's move on to audio. Click on the background music section. You can preview different tracks and find one that matches the mood of your story. For monetized content, we highly recommend checking the Copyright Free tab. For this example, let's select a sweeping cinematic soundtrack. Next, open the Advanced Settings panel. This step is important. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16 vertical, so your video is perfectly optimized for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Here, you can choose the video duration or length. Now choose script quality. You can also choose your preferred video and image generation models here. Choose VO 3.1 for the crisp, sharp, and enhanced quality video. Now choose image model. I'm going with Nanobanana Pro. Don't want to compromise with image quality. Once everything looks good, click Create Video. The AI will now build your storyboard automatically, breaking your script into individual scenes. Here, you can review your characters and locations. Need to make a change? Simply click the Tweak button and enter a quick prompt, like asking a character to hold a phone, wear sunglasses, or strike a different pose. You can also regenerate any character until it looks exactly the way you want. When you're happy with everything, click Render This Story. You'll be able to watch the entire pipeline in action as the AI generates scenes, creates images, adds dialogue, and assembles the final video. And now for the best part. Once rendering is complete, hit play and preview your masterpiece. If you're satisfied with the results, also, you can modify the music volume and you can re-choose the background music. Now, head over to the Auto Post menu. From here, you can easily choose which platforms you'd like to publish to, including TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and X. When you're ready, simply click Render. Once rendering complete, click on the Download button. That's it. Simply click on Generate SEO and copy it, under Posting Info. Finally, click Publish Now to share your creation with the world. And that's it! You've successfully created and published a fully animated fruit AI story in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!